Hi guys, so today I'm going to start a video about what is ASP.NET Core and why it is evaluate. ASP.NET Core is a new version of ASP.NET Core Web Framework, mainly targeted to run on .NET Core Framework. So ASP.NET Core is a free, like open source, highly performance, lightweight, and cross-platform, and it supports the cloud applications. It supports IoT and mobile applications. So, .NET Core it was architectures modular with minimum overhead. It means that only required libraries are loaded when you create a new project. Rest of the features or advanced features you can integrate using the NuGet packages. So the result is high performance, require less memory, less deployment size, and easy to maintain. So these are the main features of ASP.NET Core. So this is open source, so anyone can get the uh, latest repository from get the code from the repository of ASP.NET Core. So I will share the link here, so you can download the ASP.NET Core source code. So yes, so the latest version of ASP.NET Core is 5. So that is not .NET Core version. Actually, that is the main version of 5. But the previous version was .NET Core 3.x. That is 3.1, 3.2. And so the history of ASP.NET Core started with 1.0 version, and right now that is 3.1. That is the stable version. So let me explain the versions of .NET Core. So .NET Core 1.0 version was introduced in 27 June in 2016, and there was update 3 of Visual Studio 2015. So that version was support till 27 June 2019. After that, the another version was 1.1, and this was introduced in 16th November 2016, and that was supported till 27 June 2019. After that, the new version was introduced 2.0. It was introduced in 14th August 2017, and it was supported till 1st October 2018. After that, after that 2.1, so that was introduced in 30th May 2018, and that was support till 21st August 2021. Then the latest version comes with 2.2, and it was introduced in 4th December 2018 and support till 23rd December 2019. Then the new version was introduced 3.0 on 23rd September 2019, and it was support till 3rd March 2020. After that 3.1, so this was introduced 3rd December 2019, and it was support till 3rd December 2022. So this is the most stable version, and it supports till 3 years from 3.1, like from 2019 to 2022. Both .NET Core 2.1 and .NET Core 3.1 was the most supported version for 3 years, and the next release, which will be .NET Core 5. So this is already introduced in the current year. So now this is basically the history of version history of .NET Core. So why ASP.NET Core. So nowadays the .NET Core framework becomes more and more popular among the developers. So the old developers are moving to the .NET Core, but because it is the open source framework and anyone can, it is platform independent, so anyone can deploy this on Windows, on Mac or Linux platform. So this is the good thing in .NET Core. Inbuilt dependency injection is there. So this is inbuilt IOC pattern is also there. Web API framework testing and maintainability is the major feature of this. Handling a request and response pipeline. So in .NET Core, the new thing is introduced, that is middleware component. So every request comes to the application, goes to the pipeline and give the response. So hosting can be on any framework like that is Windows, IIS, Apache, or side by side hosting. Some extensible framework which was introduced was view components, tag helpers, and routing. So excellent developer tools are there. You can download the latest thing from NuGet packages. Okay. So if you are coming from ASP.NET Core 4 framework, so you will see there was global.asx file, webconfig, HTTP handlers, HTTP modules, and ASP.NET Page Lifecycle Model. But .NET Core doesn't have these things. So .NET Core has is open source and cross platform, and yes, these are the later features. It supports C Sharp, F Sharp, and Visual Basic. Okay, and these are the repository of .NET Core. So .NET Core runtime can be uh, cloned from this repository. .NET Core SDK can be cloned from this repository, and .NET Core ASP.NET Core can be cloned from this repository. So this was the introduction about .NET Core. So in the next video, I will start to create an web API in .NET Core. So thanks for watching my videos, guys, and supporting me. Thanks a lot.